Adjust the feeder's rear guide to the width of the media being printed. In this instance, for 9x12 catalog envelopes, the guide should be set to 12 inches. Lock the rear guide using both thumb screws. Place the envelope on the feeder. Adjust the front guide to the proper width. As a note, a gap must be left between the guides and the envelope. Lock the front guide using both thumb screws. Adjust the white feeder belts so that they cover roughly 75% of the width of the envelope. Move the white feeder belts to the proper position. Advance the feeder until the belts jog to the correct position. Place the white idle rollers under the belts. Place the envelopes on the rear green belts. The envelopes should be loaded with flap up and face of the envelope facing the rear of the feeder as shown. Hold the Advance button to tile the envelopes into the printer. Continue to hold the Advance button until 3 to 5 envelopes are under the pickup roller. In iQ, open the job to be printed. Open the Printer Settings module. Select Envelope Feeder for input source. Select Envelope Heavy for media weight. Select Long Edge Feed for feed direction. Enter the numbers of copies to print. Click and drag the job to the printer. You may also choose to print catalog envelopes from Tray 2. Load the envelopes. Adjust the guides in the tray to fit snugly to the envelopes. The envelopes should be loaded with flaps to the right and the face of the envelope facing upward. In iQ, open the job. Select the Printer Settings module. Select Tray 2 for the input source. Select Envelope Heavy for media weight. Select Short Edge Feed for the feed direction. Enter the number of copies to print. Click and drag the job to the printer.